Nong yalam kan National People Party NPP Rakkam sangma Menteri Berdikmi yaknat kapuli ke Sorkar Jala Meghalaya uloong bagi paiba election MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Seat kinjit ke parti kabadan jingajan sedalhi kani ke jingjuba Rakkam kadai halo ke jingkli nakilar patai kubor baka screening committee ke All India Congress Committee kalapha eka kerteng wamali ke Congress na gambagre Saleng sangma banyakun hak election MP Lok Sabha arjar arpusaw natura persya eka anggata ke sangma MP bementa ke NPP Rakkam uloong bu Saleng unsarem hak election MP banwan dakbayro ya ke NPP uloong bak jingīakynduh yu menterang badu kari India Narendra Modi mentahi kalong tangsi sien pun uloong bu Conrad Rakkam jan ya ke Delhi syakipai ba ke Meghalaya.
I wish him all the best, but it's a very huge hill he have to climb off. So of course, I don't know. So the election is election. It's every candidate is important. So we should not ignore anybody. Election is election. Every candidate has a very important. And as an NPP party, we are leaving no stone unturned. We are reaching out to every nook and corner of the state. When our candidate, Madam Intura, Madam Agata, is reaching out every nook and corner because people need a confidence. The leaders who meet the people and the party who can connect with the state and with the rest of the country, with the Delhi. And especially, it's very blessed, Meghalaya, blessed to have the NPP because under the able leadership of this Honorable Chief Minister Conrad he made Delhi closer. Earlier, meeting a Prime Minister, Honorable Union Minister, is a very, very tough schedule. But one call phone is easy for our Honorable Chief Minister to meet our Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, any Cabinet Minister, Union Minister of the country. So I would say the party, the NPP, and this government has made Delhi closer to the state. If you say maybe 2024, my brother Saleng will first test the defeat in MP election. Maybe this is his first history. Let's see what the TMC decide. But if the TMC doesn't contest to re-election, it will speak the big message that the kind of leaders, the kind of party, right? So I think they should take the challenge. They should fight, I feel, right? I think both the TMC, the Congress, the NPP, the UDP, the BJP should give the best fight. Let the people let the people decide.